Hi all, and welcome to this week's feature of the week video. I have a rather quick one for us today. I'll be going through our quick create dependent views tool, and this comes with our Naviate Accelerate line. And so what this command does is you'll have your view that you would like to create dependent views for. Go into Naviate Accelerate. Click on the Sheets and Views menu to open up a ribbon of more tools. Over to your left, hit the drop down under Create Views, and then click on Quick Dependent Views. What this does is it will take the scope boxes that are currently in your view and create dependent views based on those scope boxes. All right. And so that was create quick dependent views. Thank you for watching this video.